Now occasionally with an aluminium Venetian blind, you're going to have bent blades. Now normally you might think if the blades are bent that you would have to replace the whole blind, but that's not the case. So if you'd like to come in nice and close to this blind here, I've already bent a couple. Okay, so they're not looking very good. Now it's as simple as just pinching the blinds up so as they sit level. What's going to happen though is you're going to have a couple of little kinks here. Same thing again, just put a little bit of pressure with your fingers, give them a little pinch, and that straightens the blades. They can also bend on the ends here. Same thing, what you do is you pinch, you run your fingers along the blades like that, done. If you have a bend in the middle, this can happen. Okay, we'll bend that a bit more. Same thing, one finger on the bottom, one finger on the top, and run your fingers along the blades. From there, you just pinch the ends down, and that is how you straighten aluminium Venetian blades.